Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2181 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your engine cooling system. And if left unresolved, it can lead to engine overheating, poor performance, and costly engine damage. What does P2181 mean? P2181 stands for Cooling System Performance. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the engine cooling system is not performing as expected. The engine computer continuously monitors coolant temperature. If the engine warms up too slowly, overheats, or the temperature readings are outside the normal range, the ECU may store the P2181 code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2181, you may notice: check engine light on, engine overheating, engine temperature fluctuating, poor heater performance, cooling fan running continuously, reduced fuel economy, poor engine performance, and sometimes a coolant warning light. In severe cases, the engine may overheat and suffer internal damage. Component location. Now let's talk about location. The engine coolant temperature sensor, also called the ECT sensor, is usually located near the thermostat housing or cylinder head. The thermostat is installed between the engine and the radiator hose. The radiator is located at the front of the vehicle, and the cooling fan is mounted behind the radiator. These components work together to maintain proper engine temperature. The most common causes of P2181 include: faulty thermostat, low coolant level, faulty coolant temperature sensor, cooling fan problems, coolant leaks, air trapped in the cooling system, water pump failure, or radiator blockage. A stuck open or stuck closed thermostat is one of the most common causes of this code. Quick diagnosis: start by checking the coolant level. Inspect the cooling system for leaks, monitor engine temperature using an obd2 scanner. Check thermostat operation, inspect cooling fan performance, and compare coolant temperature sensor readings with actual engine temperature. How to fix P2181. Repair coolant leaks, refill coolant to the proper level. Replace a faulty thermostat, replace a defective coolant temperature sensor. Repair cooling fan issues, replace a failing water pump if necessary. Clear the code and perform a complete road test. Final result: fixing P2181 will restore proper cooling system operation, prevent engine overheating, improve engine performance, and help protect your engine from expensive damage. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.